Hi, I'm the highest authority in the United States on the subject of law. So are you. You just don't know it. So I'm going to take a few minutes to explain it to you. Then you'll understand law without having to go to law school. Attorneys do not practice law. Attorneys are enemies of we the people of the United States. And attorneys practice fraud, deception, subversion, lying, cheating, and stealing. That's why our founders banned attorneys from practicing their deranged version of law in the United States with these words in the Declaration of Independence in 1776, that they are absolved from all allegiance to the British Crown. Now, our founders didn't bother describing what the British Crown was because at the time, everyone knew what the British Crown was. The British Crown is the secret society run by Satan and his bankers that controls the actions of every attorney on earth. So when we absolved ourselves from all allegiance to Satan's British Crown, we absolved ourselves from all allegiance to attorneys and allowing them to practice their deranged version of law in our country. We set ourselves free from attorneys and their bizarre and berserk laws. We the people do ordain are the words from the preamble to the Constitution that identifies we the people as the highest authorities and tells us that we can ordain anything we want. The rest of the Constitution can be changed whenever we feel like changing it because we the people are the authorities. Politicians are not authorities. Judges certainly are not authorities. They're all attorneys, and they're all thus enemies of we the people. TV is not an authority. Cops are not authorities. We the people are the authorities. So we can rewrite the Constitution any time we feel like it. We don't need any permission. We don't have to have a constitutional convention. We can just get enough of us together who are not idiots who think that abortion is the only issue in the campaign for president, and we can figure out what's wrong with our country and we can fix it. We can sit around a table and talk about it. However many of us it takes to figure out the solution to the problems. Now, as the highest authority on law, I can do anything I want as long as I have your approval. I can abolish the IRS. Is there anyone who likes the IRS and wants to keep it? Or would the whole country like to abolish it and stop paying taxes? Let me know. Talk to me in the comments. Does anyone want to abolish the Federal Reserve and stop them from robbing us? Or would some of you like the Federal Reserve to stay in existence and continue robbing us by charging us interest on our own money and running up a fraudulent national debt of $35 trillion, plus the fraudulent debt that's on our mortgages and all our other loans? Does anyone want to pay that fraudulent debt? If you want to pay that debt, let me know. If you want to get rid of that debt and abolish the Federal Reserve, let me know. We can do it because we're the authorities. And again, we can do anything we want. That's what you need to know about law. Everything that's taught in law school is how to commit fraud against we the people. That's what attorneys do, and you should pay no attention to any attorney, except to the fact that we can arrest all of the attorneys for espionage. Every attorney is committing fraud and espionage. Some of them are committing treason. Who wants to arrest all the attorneys and stop them from committing fraud, espionage, and treason against us? Does anyone want to allow them to continue committing these crimes? If so, let me know in the comments. If you'd like to arrest all the fucking attorneys, say so. Let's talk about doing that. That's what law is about. We the people do ordain. We the people can do anything we want. If we the people want to arrest all the fucking lawyers, then we can arrest them and lock them up. Or we can throw them out of our country, send them to Mexico. Put them at the border, kick them in the ass, and send them over there. Let Mexico have them. We don't need them. We don't want them. You shouldn't want them if you have half a brain. What else do you want to do to fix the country? Think about it. Do you want to bring down the price of oil? Do you want to make oil free? We can do that. We can abolish money entirely if we want to. That takes a bit of thought. You want to think about it and see the value in abolishing money and making everyone wealthy, because there's no money and no greed associated with it, and no crime committed by anyone who doesn't have any money and wants to steal it because they don't know how to get it honestly. Well, this will eliminate that crime. We can manage our country without using money. Stop all the crime associated with money. And live happily ever after. Yes, we can, if you want to do it. If you will learn what the law is. The law, and the only law, is we the people do ordain. There is no other law. That's it. We're the authorities, we decide what the law is. That's why I'm the highest authority on law, because I understand it. And if you pay attention, now you understand it too. Don't listen to the fucking lawyers. Lawyers are always lying. They will never tell you the truth about law. Lawyers do not practice law. I practice law. We the people do ordain. That's the law. Please learn that and talk about it. Ask me questions in the comments if you can't understand that simple concept. We have 300 million authorities. We have 1.3 million enemy attorneys who are trying to shove their damn law down our throats and keep us enslaved to the bankers. We don't have to take this crap. Think about that. Talk to me in the comments. If you do understand it all, make your own videos. Get rid of the goddamn lawyers. And let's have our freedom back. Thanks for watching.